Hello and welcome to our YouTube page. As you can see in here, today we are celebrating our Christmas. Awesome. And so to celebrate our Christmas, we got a Christmas tree. And what we need, oh, we got this amazing house. Oh, is that? It's the bear. Oh, and Masha is coming. That is awesome.
The bear's got a few presents.
Does it? Oh yes, it's a Christmas time. We don't have a Christmas Father Christmas, but we got the Masha and Bear. What else do we have? And we need a light on our Christmas tree. Where is the light? We're gonna have to make it nice and beautiful. Let's see how we're gonna do our decoration for the Christmas tree. It's a starlight. That is super cool. Let me put the light on. Electricity. Yes, awesome. It is done and it is ready. So now what do we need? Yes, our Christmas tree is done and it's ready. So, oh, we have this amazing house, the snow house. And what else do we have? The snowman.
Should we decorate the inside?
Yes, let's make it
Okay.
beautiful.
So here there's a TV, sofa.
Oh, that's a beautiful decoration. And here comes the bear. And Masha and... Wow, yeah! Super cool. That is feels like a proper Christmas time. And awesome. That is a Masha and the bear. Okay, now so we do all we need to do now is to build our railway around this town. Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Cool, go. Here we go. Here's our first piece of art, the T turn. Here we go. Here comes the train. Awesome. And we're gonna have to put it in here. And we're gonna use this amazing tunnel. So where the tunnel's gonna go?